How to grow string of pearls fuller and bigger, common problems of string of pearls. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. String of pearls is a beautiful cascading succulent that will add little quirk to any house. The plant grows fast, propagates easily, and can grow both indoor and outdoor. String of pearls thrives in a warm and dry environment. They are very easy to care for as an indoor house plant and also an ideal succulent to grow outdoors. When grown outdoors, it should be placed in a partially shaded spot where it can be protected from the hot sun in the afternoon and at the same time enjoy some bright, indirect morning sunlight. East-facing window of balcony can be the ideal spot for string of pearls. Make sure to place your string of pearls in a spot away from your pets and children's reach, and it's highly recommended to wear gloves when handling because it contains a sap that is toxic to both humans and pets. In humans, accidentally consuming any part of the plant can cause rash, itching, pain, inflammation, dermatitis or severe skin irritation, and gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea and vomiting. For animals, eating parts of plant can cause lethargy, drooling, itching and painful skin. Here are some tips for growing a string of pearls. Fuller and bigger. Number 1. Trim the plant. Trim the plant and add the cuttings to the top of the plant in the same pot. The cuttings will root and grow into new plants. You can do this whenever the plant grows too long. Number 2. Prune consistently. Prune the plant regularly to encourage new growth and keep it bushy. You can snip off dead stems and leggy stems that have lost many of their beads. Number 3. Repot in every 2 to 3 years. Repotting gives the plant more space to grow and freshens the soil. Use a well-draining potting mix for succulents. You can also mix some sand or perlite into a low-nutrient well-draining compost. Number 4. Water carefully. Proper watering helps prevent root rot and keep the plant healthy. Number 5. Provide the right amount of light. String of pearls does best with a combination of bright and direct sunlight. Too much direct sun can burn the new growth, while too little will make the plant weak. How to care for string of pearls to make it bigger? Number 1. Light. String of pearls need to be placed in a spot where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of bright and direct sunlight per day. You have to find a partially shaded spot to grow this plant outdoors. In darker, cooler months, consider moving them to a brighter spot or closer to the window. Make sure they get all the light they need per day. In case your home does not have enough light, then consider putting them under a fluorescent light fixture for about 12 to 16 hours of light per day to keep them happy. Number 2. Watering. They are very sensitive to overwatering. Recommended amount is once in every 2 weeks. During winter, cut back watering to once per month. Number 3. Temperature. String of pearls should be kept at average indoor temperature of 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter, keep the plant at 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't keep them in drafty areas or near open windows, as cold air may cause the leaves to drop. String of pearls are desert plants and are not frost tolerant, so they need to be moved indoor in the winter. Number 4. Humidity. String of pearls does not require a lot of humidity to thrive. This succulent is native to dry areas, so dry air would not do any harm to it. It can enjoy any standard household humidity, about 40 humidity level. Number 5. Soil. This succulent plant needs well-draining sandy soil to thrive. Terracotta pots are good choice for this plant. Big shallow pots are needed. Number 6. Fertilizer. During growth time, they might get fertilized once in every 2 or 4 weeks in spring and summer. Succulents usually don't need a lot of fertilizer. No fertilizer is needed for fall and winter. Number 7. Propagation. Propagating string of pearls is easy because they have very shallow root and grows new root easily. The easiest way is to use cuttings. You need a healthy 3 to 4 inches long cutting to start propagating. Lay the cutting down on the soil and press down lightly. Root will gradually grow out of the cutting. Give the soil a little misting to keep it moist until the new plant is established and starts to grow. Number 8. Repotting. There is no need to repot this succulent every year. It grows well in its current pot, year after year, as it has shallow root system. String of pearls are very delicate. You have to handle them gently whenever you repot them to a bigger pot. Take new dry soil and do it during its growing season, that is in spring, when you see your plant has become too big for its pot and it does not grow, as well as the plant may has become root bound. Common problems. It can be tricky sometimes while growing the string of pearls. If you spot any of these common problems in your plant, take action right away. They will become healthy and happy. Number 1. Shriveling of leaves and stem in string of pearls. If your plant is not receiving proper water and sunlight they need, underwatering, overwatering, or getting inappropriate sunlight are reasons for shriveled leaves. Number 2. Root rot. Using regular garden soil can lead to root rot because this medium is too heavy and has a high water holding capacity. Well-drained and porous soil is crucial in preventing root rot. Number 3. Falling leaves. If you keep your succulent outdoors and it begins dropping its leaves, that means they have been kept in drafty location where temperature is cold. Number 4. Pest attack. Aphids, mites, white flies, gnats, mealybugs and ants are common pests attracted to string of pearls when is unhealthy and makes your succulent leaves turning yellow, dropping or sooty. Now you know a number of things on how to manage your string of pearls like a pro gardener. Keep these points in your mind and grow them in your indoor space for a fuller and beautiful display. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.